Think your shoulder workouts are building cannonball delts? The reality is most people leave the gym with sore necks and aching joints, but almost no growth in the shoulders themselves because they're letting momentum, bad angles, and poor posture do the work instead of their muscles. If your presses feel heavy but your shoulders never look rounder, it's because of these classic mistakes. Mistake number 1, using the lower back like a catapult in overhead presses. Arching so much you turn the movement into a chest and spine stress test instead of a delt builder. Mistake 2, swinging dumbbells during lateral raises, letting gravity and momentum lift instead of controlling the weight. Mistake 3, shrugging shoulders upward, which shifts the load to traps instead of delts, robbing you of that round shoulder look. And mistake 4, cutting the range of motion short, never fully extending overhead or never lowering dumbbells past halfway, which means your delts never get stretch or the contraction they need. Now let's fix it step by step. For overhead presses, start standing tall, feet shoulder width apart, core tight like a skyscraper foundation. Grip the dumbbells. Bring them just above shoulders with elbows under wrists not flared wide. Press straight upward in a controlled arc. No jerking, no leaning back. At the top, arms almost locked but not hyperextended. Squeeze the delts as if you're punching the ceiling with control. Then lower slowly until elbows drop slightly below shoulder height to give a full stretch. For lateral raises, grab lighter dumbbells, palms facing inward. Slight bend in elbows, arms at your sides. Now lift to the side until arms reach just below shoulder level, not higher. Any higher and your traps steal the work. Pause briefly, then lower slowly, resisting gravity. It's not about heavy weight, it's about precision. Your delts are small muscles, they grow from tension, not ego. For front raises, same principle. Controlled lift, arms slightly bent, stop at eye level, slow down on the way back. Wrong form is easy to spot. Leaning back, swinging arms, shoulders creeping up toward ears. Half reps rushed out with heavy dumbbells. Right form is powerful and precise, elbows in line, traps relaxed, delts lit up, tempo under control. Intermediate fix, add pauses. Hold each raise or press for 1 second at the peak, forcing your delts to fire without escape. Advanced tweak, slow tempo, 3 seconds up, 1 second pause, 3 seconds down. Or use partials. After failure, do half-range raises to push delts past fatigue without cheating. Remember, the delts have 3 heads, front, side, and rear. So balance your training. Don't ignore rear delts. Add reverse flies or face pulls, keeping elbows high and squeezing the back of the shoulders. This gives the round 3D look instead of flat fronts. So here's your challenge. Grab a pair of light dumbbells, perform 12 flawless presses, 12 lateral raises, 12 front raises, controlled, paused, no swing. Then finish with 10 slow rear delt flies. Feel how your shoulders burn differently? That's precision, not momentum. Big shoulders aren't built overnight. They're built by mastering technique, owning every rep, and staying consistent. Train smart, not sloppy, and your shoulders will not only look like armor, they'll protect your posture, boost your strength, and transform your entire frame. Stay disciplined, push past the shortcuts, and keep pressing forward, because your strongest, roundest shoulders are waiting for you to build them.